What if I told you that just 1% of the population controls nearly half of the world's wealth? And out of the top 80 wealthiest individuals, only 11 inherited their fortunes. Today, we're going to explore the hidden habits and mindsets that make all the difference. And to make it real, we'll follow two characters, Alex and Sam, as they navigate life, work, and money. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to multiply their efforts without working harder? Well, that's exactly what the wealthy do. They use 5 forms of leverage to scale their success. Leverage 1. Other people's time. This is all about delegation and outsourcing. Leverage 2. Other people's knowledge. Learning from experts and mentors. Leverage 3. Other people's money. Using investments and loans to grow wealth. Leverage 4. Other people's relationships, networking and partnerships. Leverage 5. Technology. Automating and scaling income streams. Leverage is the secret weapon of the wealthy. Master it, and you'll unlock exponential growth. 2 people start the same job with identical qualifications. One climbs the corporate ladder, the other stays stuck. Why? The answer lies in their approach to learning. Let's look at Sam and Alex. After a long day at work, Sam chill with Netflix, zoning out in front of the TV. Alex, on the other hand, invests in self-education, reading books, taking courses, and networking with successful people. The key takeaway? Your income grows in direct proportion to your knowledge. While Sam zones out, Alex levels up. The rich prioritize learning because knowledge truly is power. Why do some employees earn massive bonuses while others barely make ends meet? It's all about the value they bring to the table. Sam trades hours for a paycheck, clocking in and out without much thought. Alex, however, focuses on solving high-value problems, earning big rewards in the process. The truth is, wealth comes from creating value, not clocking hours. Solve bigger problems, and you'll earn bigger rewards. So, ask yourself, are you selling time like Sam or solutions like Alex? Why do some people always struggle to save, while others build wealth effortlessly? It's all about paying yourself first. Sam pays all his bills first, saving whatever is left, which is usually nothing. Alex, on the other hand, automates his savings before spending 10 cents. The rich build wealth by paying themselves first. They automate their savings and secure their future. While Sam struggles with expenses, Alex builds a fortune. Which habit are you following? Imagine facing a challenge. Do you see roadblocks or opportunities? This is where mindset makes all the difference. Sam sees limitations everywhere. When faced with a problem, he gives up, believing it's just too hard. The rich embrace challenges to unlock new opportunities. Next time you hit a wall, ask yourself, how can I turn this into an opportunity? Would you trade small daily treats for long-term financial freedom? This is where delayed gratification comes into play. Sam spends $5 daily on coffee without thinking twice. It's just a small expense, right? Alex, however, saves that money for investments or experiences that will pay off in the long run. Delayed gratification is a wealth-building superpower. Small sacrifices today lead to massive rewards tomorrow. While Sam prioritizes momentary pleasure, Alex plays the long game. Which choice do you think leads to real success? If you lost your job today, would you still have money coming in? This is where the rich really stand out. Sam panics at the thought of losing his only income stream, his job. Alex, on the other hand, stays financially stable with multiple income sources. The wealthy create multiple streams, side businesses, investments, and passive income to protect their future. While Sam depends on one source, Alex has many. How secure is your income? Who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? Do they inspire you or limit you? Sam surrounds himself with complainers, people who always see the glass as half empty. Alex, however, networks with ambitious, successful people who push him to grow. The key takeaway? Surround yourself with people who push you towards success. While Sam complains, Alex collaborates. Who's in your circle? It's time to make a choice. Will you stay where you are or reach out to someone who can open new doors for you? The path to wealth isn't easy, but it's worth every step. Remember, every wealthy person started exactly where you are now. They chose to change, grow, and become more. You can do the same.